I know that Vietnam is interested in our coal and of course other minerals. So those are the discussions we will have to ensure that we can trade between our two countries. We will be addressing the business forum this morning, South Africa Vietnam Business Forum. For us, it's important that the business sector is also collaborating because whatever we agree on as government is good when we bring business with us, and I'm happy that we have this business forum, and the business people will also be interacting and engaging and making agreements on how to partner in the various sectors of our economy.